What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I got a lingerie haul. Y'all love these videos for obvious reasons. Before I even really get into this video, my neighbor upstairs has been being very rude, just stomping up a storm, and I tried to wait to see if maybe it'll stop for a little bit so I can record a video in peace, but it's been going on for over 24 hours, so I'm gonna handle that later. But if y'all hear something, that's what it is. Okay. Also, when I do these videos, a lot of guys in particular will get mad because I don't show like everything, but most of these videos that I film in lingerie get demonetized. I don't make money from them because I'm showing too much, you know, as far as YouTube is concerned. So I try not to show too much, so maybe I will make money off the video. But you know, sometimes it just doesn't work. I don't make money from the video because YouTube thinks I'm showing too much skin or whatever. So I show what I feel comfortable showing and what I feel like maybe won't get my video demonetized, so I can maybe make money from it. So please refrain from leaving comments talking about, oh, you could have showed more, turn around, da 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 da, because all that's gonna do is get you blocked or cussed out. If I feel like cussing you out, I'll cuss you out. If I don't, I'll just block you, okay? Because I are you. I'm not these other YouTubers. I are you, period. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. But yeah, like my OnlyFans is $3 for a reason. All this stuff is already, by the time this video's up, all these lingerie sets I'm gonna show y'all already gonna be my OnlyFans. If you ain't got $3, just say that. It's $3 to subscribe to my OnlyFans and see like uncut pictures, videos in these lingerie sets. Like $3. So if you don't like what I'm showing you on here, pay for my OnlyFans and go see the real. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. Just refrain from leaving those comments because it really grinds my gears. If you can't tell, it really grinds my gears. Okay, so let's just get on to the video. Everything's from Shein. I get 4X in Shein and everything. I usually am a 3X like anywhere else, but Shein I do have to size up to a 4X because it's like Chinese sizing, as most of you probably know already. So everything I show you is gonna be a size 4X. So I'm gonna show y'all the pieces and then have like a little screen recording because I'm not gonna like show them live, if you know what I mean, because I want to be able, I just did it this way because I feel like I'll be able to control like what I showed you more, because like I said, I'm trying not to get this video demonetized, even though it probably will. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all and then have a clip either to the left or right of me. So the reason why I do these videos is because girls are always asking me where I get my lingerie from. Majority of the time it is from Shein. I do get more expensive pieces of lingerie from Lane Bryant, but I realize not everyone can afford $60 to $80 pieces of lingerie, so I try to just do these ones. But if you guys do want to see like a more expensive lingerie haul, let me know, because I will do that too. I just try to keep it to where like I'm showing stuff that's affordable to like every income. But if y'all want to see, you know, an expensive lingerie haul, I could do that too. I try to get like pieces that I think will look good on my body, because I know a lot of the females that watch me have similar body types, so they don't know what kind of lingerie to get that will look good on them. So I kind of know what will look good on my body. I've been shopping for lingerie for like a year now. I've been doing OnlyFans and stuff. I think it's been a year almost. Oh yeah, it'll be a year this month. Okay, so it's been a year that I've been on OnlyFans, so I'm kind of like a pro at shopping for lingerie now. I have a huge collection of it, so like by looking at the models and stuff, I can tell what's gonna look good on my body and what won't, like what's gonna fit my breast and what won't. So yeah, I feel like these videos can help you girls if you have similar body type, so you can know what lingerie to like to get and which ones to stay away from. And I'm always getting compliments on my lingerie, and y'all just want to know, well, how do I find these cute pieces on Shein, because y'all can't find them, so I'm gonna show y'all, period. Okay, so the first is not a lingerie set, but this is these fishnets. And I wanted to show y'all these because y'all know how it'd be saying like one size, but it'd be like the smallest of the big girls, like a 1X. Like it don't really be one size, like it don't fit us girls who wear a 3X. But these, I want to show y'all these because they actually fit a bigger girl. This is my second time purchasing these, so I didn't wear these yet. But I do have a picture of when I had bought them the first time. I'll put a picture on the screen, or a few pictures if I can find them, so y'all can see what they look like. But they fit, like they're actually like one size fits all. They actually fit like larger, bigger girls, if you know what I mean. Like not just like, you know, 1X, 2X queens. They fit all the way up to the 4X queens. Okay, so if you're looking for like stockings or fishnets, whatever these are, that actually fit, you know, these are really good, especially if you have larger thighs like me. They didn't come like all the way up on me, but they come up enough. I did try some other fishnets from Shein that claim to be one size fits all, but unfortunately they didn't fit. These are the only ones I found so far that actually fit, you know, bigger girls. So if you're having that problem like I do, these are really good ones to get. I'll link them down below. This first set I'm gonna show y'all, I already posted it on, well, all this stuff's already on OnlyFans by the time this video is out, but I posted a picture on Twitter too, and it was a hit. They loved this set. So it is this floral share set. My camera's gonna die, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I was showing y'all this floral set, and like I said, I'll put a video on either side of me showing y'all what it looks like on me. But this is the top. It's super sheer, but the floral on it kind of still covers up, you know, the nips, so that's good. And then the bottoms are so cute. It is a thong, but like it has this little hole in the front, and I don't really know what it's for. It's just for like decoration, I guess, but it makes it look really sexy. I really love this set. The top you have to kind of tie around your neck, and my problem is, like, since I'm very large breasted, these ties tend to hurt my neck a little bit because like it's holding up all this, you feel me? So I tie it like really tight, like to the point I can't even get this knot out if I wanted to, but you know, that's what keeps it on. And then it just hooks in the back like that. It's just like a hook, not a regular bra. And also I like the lace in the front. It's so cute, and it's like all shimmery and stuff. This is a really sexy set, and like I said, since I have large breasts, it's hard to find sets that will actually cover my whole boobage, and this did pretty good. So this is definitely like a plus size friendly lingerie set. Highly recommend getting this set, especially if you have the same problem as me, like finding stuff that'll fit, you know, your upper body area. But yeah, this is just so cute. And then the bottoms have that same little lace and shimmer on it. Love it. And it's stretchy, FYI, it's very stretchy. I feel like it could fit up to a 5X, even though it is a 4X. But even the top part, I had a little bit extra room. I feel like I could have got away with getting a 3X. So definitely, if you are like a little bit bigger than me, you probably could still fit this too. Okay, this next set, more floral. I know. And it's also sheer as well, so it's like see-through, but at the same time you still can't see nips because of the floral printing on it. Again, look how cute. This one, only thing I didn't like about it is this neck part that goes like around here, like it's like you have a choker on. And again, since the boobs are big, this kind of just chokes me. And in general, this little neck part is like not that stretchy, so if you have a thick neck, it's gonna choke you, but I guess it's worth it. Beauty is pain. But the neck part could just, told y'all, but the neck part just hooks and unhooks too. Oops, I'm doing it the wrong way, but just like the other one, it hooks and unhooks. But then the back part hooks like a bra, so it has 3 different notches on it. What do you call these? I don't know, but you could, you know, if you need it a little bit loose, you can loosen it up, which is good. We love an adjustable set. And then this part kind of like splits in the middle, And this one was really good at covering the girls as well. So this is like another, I feel like, plus size frilly lingerie set where it's going to cover what it needs to cover. But I wanted to get into the bottoms because I wasn't a huge fan of these bottoms. I like bottoms that kind of like come up a little bit so it could like, it like shapes you better. But these are kind of the ones that like just go straight across, and I'm not really a fan of those. But the bottom, same as the top, floral mesh. Only thing is, these ones were super cheap. They're ripped. They're ripped. It's supposed to have like 2 strips. I don't know if you could tell. Let me try to get it closer. It's supposed to have 2 strips that connect both ends, but like this one just ripped. I think my ass ate it. For real, because like, where is it at? But I mean, if you just need it for like a shoot, I feel like you're good, but not really. It's cheap. I mean, I wasn't gonna wear it again anyways. I think I'm gonna keep the top though, because I love the way the top fits. And like I said, it's hard to find lingerie that fits these. It really is. So I'm definitely probably gonna keep the top and just, you know, get new bottoms to go with it. Maybe like some regular black bottoms, but these ones are really cheap. Or my ass is just too big, one or the other. It might be the second one. This next set, I cannot show y'all. And I'm sorry, I cannot without getting demonetized. I mean, I'm probably going to get demonetized already, but if I show y'all this, it's definitely a wrap for this video. I definitely won't be getting paid from this video. And y'all can see why. I'm gonna put a picture of the model up. Y'all can see why. Just picture that on me, and my boobs are like 5 times bigger than that. You feel me? So this little part was pretty much only covering the nip. Everything's out. This was not a good choice for my breast size, but I just loved it so much. I just loved it. I had to get it. It is on my OnlyFans if you want to see pictures of me in it. $3 OnlyFans. Go subscribe. But I cannot show y'all on YouTube because it was just so exposing. But I love it. If you have smaller breasts, I feel like it will look so great on you. So great, so great, so great. So go get it if you have like smaller breasts than me. It kind of look, I didn't really like the way it fit on me because like I said, everything was exposed, but it did look sexy. But I just, I don't know, I'm trying to find stuff that fits these more, but like I said, it's hard because it's like they don't like keep that in consideration when they're making these things. But this is so cute. It's like kind of like laced all throughout the front, except for like the middle and the bottom part, and then the back is just solid black, and it fits like a swimsuit in the back. Like, it's not a thong, but the front like is thin in the front, so it like kind of comes up, like cuts up a little bit, which helps with shaping. Like I was telling y'all, like you could pull it up a little bit in the front, helps your shape look a little bit better. But yeah, I'm sorry I can't show y'all this. Like I said, go subscribe to my OnlyFans and you'll be able to see it. But that's all the lingerie I got. I got some other pieces that were sent to me that I was going to show in this haul, but I think I'm just going to do a whole nother haul for that lingerie. But that's stuff I got from Shein because I want to mix it, I guess. So yeah, I'll do another haul for that lingerie since it's from a different company. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, sorry for the fucking noise. It's been 3 days, y'all. 3 days. And I walk, okay, sorry, I'm just gonna go on a rant here, but I know like you have to walk in your apartment, but why can't I hear it 24/7? Like, do y'all, I don't understand. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I've been sitting here doing this video for what, 20 minutes at least. Like, I'm sitting down, like they don't stop moving. I don't get it. Like, do you sleep? Do you sleep? So annoying. But anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my OnlyFans. It's $3 right now. It's always $3 for your first month for the most part. So go subscribe and don't be in the comments with the bullshit, because I'm gonna cuss you the fuck out or block you if I don't feel like it. So okay, see you next video. Peace.